Nice. It's a plastic 20 ounce or I don't know what ounce, but you know, the tall ones. I'll show it to you sometime because I'm going to drink water out of it at home. That's what it's going to be, is for at home to drink water, to make myself drink water. And then it also came, because I bought those two things, it came with this. Like, I don't have enough of these, but this is called a pool bag. And this is for you to throw things in and then go to the pool. And it's plastic with cork, and the cork has gold shimmer in it. I don't know if you can see that. It's real pretty. It's got Lilly's logo on it and a nice little wristlet to take to the pool. So you can take a spritzer, you can take a hand cloth, you know, to wipe off any mascara or running makeup, and have a little mirror in there also. Your sunscreen or suntan oil in here. Maybe a cover-up, because a lot of cover-ups are smaller. So it's just a nice little pool bag. It's very cute. I mean, if you wanted to, you can make that a handbag for the summer. It's really cute. It's see-through. I don't know if you see the white tissue paper, but it's see-through. So whatever your products are in here, I wouldn't say do a tampon. For those of you still young enough and still have your period, if you have a tampon, put it in a tampon holder before you put it in this, in case you need to change at the pool. Like if you've got a heavy flow, sometimes you do need to add. I know some people are like, you are not seriously talking about that online. Well, yes, we're ladies here. And if you young girls don't know yet, you need to ask your mama about it. And it's up to the mama to explain. Okay, I also got these shoes. Where did I get these shoes from? Oh, just Fab, I think. It does not say anywhere on the shoe where I got it from. I don't remember. 39 is an 8 for Europe. And the only thing I would say about these, I somehow got 2 pair. But they do give a lot right here, and they don't put any pressure right here. Almost after 10 minutes of walking, there's no pressure on your toes right here and here, which normally it can rub on your toe. And then right here where your little pinky area bone comes out, where people usually stick out on the side, that's where that is, so there's no pressure there. And then this is cork over like a plastic, so it's some shock absorption, but not a lot. I mean, it doesn't move a lot. There's no real give to this, so it's kind of felt stiff. It's a Velcro closure, which is nice because you can size it. And then it's got these cute little silver taps on it. So it's cute. I like it. So I like that. What else did I get? I don't know. What is this? Y'all, sometimes I get stuff. What is that? Oh, I know what this is. Hold on. I also wanted, with this loud outfit, to have some very classic earrings. I love this little pouch. Look at her little jewelry pouch. Very pretty. I think that's the parrots. Parrots, and yeah, you see parrots right there. Go in one direction. She always does things in different directions, like her monkeys. And then in the other direction is a koala bear. Hot pink. I love this pattern. I think I like it better than the Sink or Swim. But I got these earrings. Oh, look how careful she is with her stuff. She's very careful. Just smart also to get the product there. Oh, these are really pretty. I wonder if they're heavy. They're obviously not solid gold, and they're not real gold. This is cosmetic jewelry. Fun jewelry, as I say. But I love them because they're nice, big, thick hoops. Like, these are thinner. And these are real gold, but they are also, the exterior is pretty heavy gold, but it's also hollowed out a little bit, because I noticed there's a hole on it, but they are heavy. These are not that heavy. They kind of are. But aren't they pretty? I like those. Love the bag. What's this? It's really unique. Oh my gosh, y'all, I got 2 of these. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give this away to y'all. I think. I don't know. I got another in the fro. Remember, I just did a review on this. How did I get 2? That happens to me sometimes. This is about $100, but it's got so many high-end brand full-size samples or full-size, including the Queen of Hungary Amaravica face spray, which alone is $98 by itself. So the fact that you get all this stuff, I don't even think it was 100, I think it was like 87 or something like that. And you get all that plus that cute little, yeah, I might have to make this a end of summer giveaway. I don't know what I would do with that. Y'all want it? Oh my gosh! Or maybe I'm going to give it to one of the kids. I don't know if they need that yet, but okay. What else did I get? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, some of you remember me ordering or talking about this. This is Grace and Glory, Psalm 81:11. This is my 2020 day planner. You know what? I'm going to do a separate day planner haul on this one because it's actually pretty involved. I don't want to take too much time with it. You will love it. You'll have to watch another video. These are my Pajama Jeans. I have no idea if I'm going to like these. They look kind of cool if they're the right size. We'll see. What are these? This is my Just Fab best-selling midi dress. I don't know. I know some of you are going, Beth, you don't remember placing an order. I do place too many orders for things. I had a credit. That's what this was. I had a credit. And so I thought, well, that is a cute little dress. Yeah, look at the, I can already tell, look at the embroidery on that. That's pretty. Alright, let's see, how's it look? It's got very pretty embroidery work around the neck. It's a zip back. This is a double XL, and I did that on purpose because I think the XL would even be a little snug on me. Sometimes they size things in the Asian size, and that's a very tiny little gal, so this may be too big. We'll see. But I love that it's also got this embroidery halfway down, and it's a bell sleeve, so I hope this actually does fit. Is it wide looking? It's a little wide, but I think it's actually going to fit for me. And then see how it looks kind of like it could be a tunic, but I think that if you wore this with black hosiery or black tights, it'd be cute. And you can't see through, so you don't need a slip. I know some of you ladies are like, what is a slip? And what are tights and hosiery? Because you just do bare leg. I don't like the bare leg. It killed the hose industry. I guess they're done. But, oh, and then I also got this hat from my friend. I don't know that she watches my channel or not. But anyway, she's going to see it. This is from Southern Charms, Craig Conifer. And look at the little flamingos. That's cute. And he loves to sew, and people have made fun of him because he likes to sew, but he just likes to. He makes the point to say I'm the only, not only straight guys sew, or something like that, which I don't know if that sounds a little condescending. But I don't think it's feminine for a man to sew. I know my daddy was taught to sew when he was in the service. You gotta learn to take care of yourself. So it's a cute little hat that I got her because she loves to sew. And it says Sewing Down South, Charleston, South Carolina, 2018. 18, so that's when he made these. So that shows old. But anyway, this is for a friend of mine that loves to sew, and she's from Minnesota. And so the fact that it says Sewing Down South, I think that is so cute. So I hope she loves this. I'm actually going to put this back in this cute little bag because I think that is so cute. So, so cute. And she likes to work out, like, so this would be great for her to put on her head when she comes out of workout, so she ain't gonna worry about her hair. She's got short hair, so she can't pull it back in a ponytail, but she could just throw this hat on to go home. So it's gonna serve two purposes, for her workouts and her sewing. I think that's really cute, and if she doesn't want it, I'll take it. Is that all? Is that everything? I think that's everything, y'all. I think. With me, you never know. Alright, let's see what's in here. That was the, oh, that is it, because that was the, let me see where we are. Oh my gosh, it's probably like 7. No, we're almost to the end of this one. I guess now we can look at my liner since it's dry. What do y'all think? Do you like it? I like it. It's very quickly. I'm going to go ahead and do a little mascara. Where's some? And first we are going to need to do this. Oh, I had gotten some new mascara. Let's try that. This is from L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. I should do Lash Paradise, but I already know I do like that, by the way. And let's do this one. This is Unlimited Mascara, and it's something I tried last week, and I actually do like it. I feel like that's not supposed to be on there. It's not that little black thing. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and I'm going to actually do this twice. This may go into 2 videos because I think it was at 21 and at 24 minutes is when it goes off, y'all. Curl it back a little towards the crease. I actually do like the way this looks with the pink and then the black, y'all. This may be my look for a while. At least for summer. Back towards the crease a little. I'm going to tell you something else. I got a little too high with that, and there's like a little powder residue. Did I fix that? Yes. Okay. Both sides. Yep. And then what do we do? What do we always do? Never fail to do this. Always wipe off your eyelash curler after you curl your eyelashes, because there's always going to be some eye residue, eye boogies that you can't see that gets on that. Or old mascara sometimes, even if I've used a really good makeup remover, I'll notice it feels a little sticky. When I use my eyelash curler, that's old mascara, you just can't see it. Okay, so that's nice and clean. And I can put it back. And one of the ways to clean that real thoroughly is get one of your Neutrogena waterproof eye makeup removers. That's nice. That's a nice little comb. Reminds me of a Chanel. And wipe your eyelash curler down with it once a week. Or as often as needed. If you want to do even every day, that'd be fine. So how does it look? How do the lashes look with this liner? There's the look. What do y'all think? Okay, y'all, that's enough. I think I'll quit here so y'all can see. And I also do like, that's just one coat of this mascara, y'all. I do like it. Okay, so I'll see y'all again soon. I'm going to go ahead and finish my eye makeup. And love y'all.